make sure to stay until the end. It may not be the fuse, or you may need a special procedure after replacing the fuse. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you're trying to find, guys, where the fuse for the outer tail lights is, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. How to actually test fuses. We're going to talk about that, what you may need to do after replacing that fuse. In some cases you may need to be resetting certain computers, so stay with us and all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So, what we have specifically here, guys, 2018 Dodge Challenger. Most people, guys, will actually automatically come right here to that fuse box that's under the hood. They will open that and they'll try to find it actually right there, but it's not there, guys. It's towards the back. We need to go to the trunk. Car was in a little bit of a fender bender here. We'll be fixing it soon. Runs and drives like a champ. So we're going to come towards the back, check out. Tail lights do not work, so let's explain now what can cause that. So first we're going to go ahead, open the trunk. We'll go like that, and in the trunk, guys, under the cover here for the spare tire, where your spare tire and car battery is located, you have a fuse box. Sometimes it's really recommended, guys, to actually disconnect the car battery when replacing fuses and relays, and on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect, reconnect first, otherwise you can burn the electronics module computers, and some of those have over 50 computers, guys. One time we burned a computer on Mercedes, cost us $2,000. So check out a video. There is a video which battery terminal to disconnect first. It will talk about that. This is the fuse box that we need. We'll press here and open it like that. And when we open, guys, right here you have the fuses. Now, common mistake people make, they never test the fuses, guys. They just assume that they can see if it's burned or not. But sometimes you cannot clearly tell that, and you may think you have a good fuse. You put it back in and you spend time, guys, and money to fix something that doesn't exist, problem that doesn't exist. So always test fuses. We'll put a link to a special video in the description of the video below, how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So if we come right here now from the very left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it. We have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6th fuse, but actually it's known as fuse number F7. That's the one for the outer tail light. So we grab it, we come like that, and we pull it out, guys, and that fuse comes out. Now when you're ready to push it in, okay, let me grab the new fuse now. You go ahead and install it, guys, okay, like that. Put the cover. Let's turn the lights on now and we'll see if it works. Okay, let's close it. Perfect, that took care of the problem. So they work, but if they do not and you replace the fuse, what else it could be, guys? You may need a computer, a scanner like that. This one is our favorite scanner. I'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can check current price, features, but it works on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing too, that can pay itself off in one-time use, guys, and you may need to use that too to reset the body control module and all the codes are present sometimes in the computers, because that can deactivate sometimes the tail lights. If there was a short or something in the system, it's like an automatic thing, so the car doesn't catch on fire or something, it can deactivate that function. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.